Hello everyone, welcome to our Microsoft Azure MLSA event. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Sarthak Khare and I am hosted for this event and I am also MLSA of Microsoft. Today we are going to learn about Microsoft Azure. This event is a part of the Microsoft Learn Student Investor. We hope you will be learn new and excited technology today. Let's start the session. Today we will learn about Microsoft Azure and GitHub Vision Control System and have they help us in software development. Introduction to Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing platform and online part of offered by Microsoft. It provides a wide range of cloud services including cloud computing power like virtual machine, storage like database and files, networking, artificial intelligence and machine learning tools, Internet of Things, IoT, DevOps and much more. You can use Azure to build, develop and is application. Thoughts Microsoft man gets data enters around the world. Main Azure service, compute, storage, database, networking, AI and machine learning, DevOps. Why are use Microsoft Azure? First, scalability, security, hybrid support and reliability, pay as you goes. Okay, next agenda. What is cloud computing? Why is cloud computing? What is Microsoft Azure? Azure Services Compute, Azure Service Networking, Azure Service Storage, Git and GitHub. Okay, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the delivery of computing service such as service, storage, database, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence over the internet. The cloud to offer faster invoked flexibility, resource, and recommendations of scale. Key characteristics of cloud computing on-demand self-services. User can provide computing resource, the resource like services, times, and network storage automatically without human interaction with each service providers. Second, आ जाएगा broad network access. Services are available over the network and accessed thoughts standard mechanisms like mobiles, phones, tablets, laptops, and desktop. Third, resource pooling. The provides a computing resource are pooled to serve multiple customers using multi-talented model. Rap, rapid elasticity. Resource can be scaled up or down quickly and elastically to meet demand. Fourth, measured service. Cloud services automatically control and optimize resource use thoughts material meanings you can only pay for what you use. Types of cloud computing. First, public cloud services offered over the public internet and available to any example AWS, Azure, Google Clouds. Second, private cloud used exclusively by one organization either on permission or hosted by a third party providers. Third, hybrid clouds, a mix of public and private cloud services enabling data and application sharing between them. Service model. First, in description and example में मैं describe करता हूँ. First, infrastructure as a service provided which visualize hardware. First, Amazon EC2 and Microsoft Azure. Second, platform as a services provided tools for app development. Google App Engine. Software as service delivers software via the internet. Google Workshop, Dropbox, Dropbox. Benefits. Cost effectively no needed for physical hardware. Scalability. Highly available and reliable. Automatic software update. Better collaboration. ओके एक बार मैं फिर से डिस्कस कर देता हूँ. व्हाट इज क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग? Cloud computing is delivery of computing services such as service, storage, database, networking, software analytics, and intelligence over the internet. The cloud offered faster, invoked flexibility, resource, and economics of scale. Key features of cloud computing. On-demand self-services get resources like computing power, storage, etc. without human interaction. Broad internet access. Access a service the internet from anywhere. Third, resource pooling. Resource pooling provided service multiple customer using shared resource. Fourth, rapid elasticity, quick scale resource up or down as needed. Measured service, pay as you go, pacing based on using. Okay, let's discuss. Let's start next topic. Why cloud computing? क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग की हमको नीड क्या पड़ी? Cloud computing is popular because it solved many changes, factors, and traditional IT infrastructure. Here are the key resources why individuals and organizations choose cloud computing. First, cost effectively.
Yes, sir.
Cost effectively. No upfront hardware costs like services or data contains. Pay as you go model. Only pay for what you use. Reduce expensive for maintain elasticity and IT infrastructure. Second, scalability and flexibility. Third, elastically scale resource up. Elastically resource up to down based on demands. Third, suitable for both startups and large entrepreneurship. Can handle traffic without needed extra physical infrastructure. Third, speed and drops resource in minutes instead of week, help business launch faster, test new ideas and invoke move quickly. Fourth, security and compliances. The cloud providers offer robust security features, compliance with global standards, example ISRO. Fifth, automatically updates and maintenance. No needed to manual updates, hardware or software. Cloud provides handle. Sixth, data backup and disaster recovery. Build in backup and resource features ensure business continued in case of hardware failure and disasters. Seventh, benefits collaboration. Teams can work thoughts from anywhere. Real time file sharing and editing. Google Doc, Microsoft 365. Global accessibility. Access service data anytime, anywhere. Enable remote work and mobile access. Environment friendly. Efficient resource uses reduce the carbon footprint comparison and traditional service. Real world use case. Hosting hosting or app. Hosting website or app. Sorting big data. Machine learning and AI. Streaming service example Netflix. Online education platform business CRMS and ERPS. In short terms, cloud computing help you do more with less, faster and from anywhere. ओके, शॉर्ट में एक बार मैं फिर से डिस्कस कर देता हूँ. What cloud computing? One resource means a project or a program whose source code is made available to anywhere. Developer can view, edit, modify, and add their code and features to the exciting project. Open source projects are offered development as open collaboration and made publicly for other development to friend freely modify and distribute. Okay, let's discuss Microsoft Azure.
Yes, sir.
Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing platform and online part of offered by Microsoft. It provides a wide range of cloud services including computing power like virtual machine, storage like database and file, networking, artificial intelligence and machine learning, Internet of Things IoT, DevOps and much more. You can use Azure, build, develop and maintains application thoughts Microsoft managed data certains around the world. Main Azure services. First, compute, storage, database, networking, AI and machine learning, DevOps. Why use Microsoft Azure? Scalability, security, hybrid support, global available, pay as use, pay as provider. Okay. Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing platform and services created by Microsoft. It's provide a wide range of cloud services including computing, analytics, storage, networking, database, machine learning, and more, allowing individual and organization to build, develop, and manage the application thoughts Microsoft managed data centers around the world. What can do you with Azure? First, host website and web page. Store data in the cloud. Run virtual machine and containers. Build AI and machine learning models. Create service functions. Analyze big data. Secure and manage user identification. Open source software. अपन अब डिस्कस करते हैं ओपन सॉफ्टवेयर क्या होता है. These are basically three ways of creating a software program. Open source software is software whose source code is freely available for anyone to view, modify, and distribute. It promotes collaboration, transparency, and community drive development. Key features of open source software. First, free access to source code. Anywhere can inspect, improve, and customize the code. Second, community collaboration. Developed and maintained by individual or communities around the world. Third, freedom to modify and share. User can change the software to meet their needed and share their vision. Usually free to use. Most open source software is free but not available. The open part refers to freedom, not price. Open source vs closed source features. Open source software. Source code access. Source code access fully access level. Closed source software not available to user. Modification rights. Open source user can modify. Closed source software only the original developer can. Cost often free. Closed source software usually requires a license. Example Linux, BLC, Firefox. Closed source software Windows, Microsoft Office, Adobe. Advantage of open software. First, cost effectively, more secure, customizable. No vendor looks in. You are not third on one provider. Strong community support. Disadvantages may require technical knowledge to modify. Second, limited or more officially support relevant on community. can view in quality developing on maintenance. Popular example of open source software and purpose. Linux operating system, Mozilla Firefox web browser, MySQL database system. Okay. Conclusion. Open source software is a contains stored or modified technology providing anything from personal project to large scale enterprise soft system. Its economize the invoke the learning and communities drive growth. Let me know if you want example specific for developer business and or student. Okay. They are basically three way of creating a software program. First, creating software along solo project. Creating software with friends and collaboration team project. Allowing anywhere to make contributes in the project open source. Open source. Okay. Allowing anyone may contribute in project open source project. Open source software. Open source software is software. It's is source code that anyway can inspect, modify, and enhance. Okay, let's discuss about vision control system.
तो वॉइस नहीं आ रही आपकी।
Okay, vision control system are a category of software tools that help in recording changes made to file by keeping a track of modification done to the code. A vision control system VCS is a tool that track and manage changes to file over time. Especially in software development, it's allowed teams to collaborate, track, edit relevant to either vision and maintain a history of change. Types types of vision control system.
व्हाट इज
Okay.
विजन कंट्रोल सिस्टम?
Okay, vision control system are a category of software tools that help in recording changes made to file by keeping a track of modification done. Just ये diagram पर आप local computer first check out file. Okay, let's example timeline. Vision control is the management of change to document, compute, program, large website, and other collaboration information. Okay, these are changes are using vision control system, creating index page and added headline in index page, created about page, added picture and description, change page layout of about page. Okay, benefits of vision control system enhance the project development speed by providing efficient collaborations, reduce possibility of error and conflicts in the project development, thoughts transcribability to every small change, employs or contribute in okay employs or contributes of the project can contribute from anywhere respectively of the different geographically location thoughts this vision bcs for each different contributes of the project a different working copy in maintained and not managed to the main file unless git git is current the most popular implementation of a distributed vision control system. The core of Git has originally written in the program language C word. Git has also been re-implemented in other languages, example Java, Ruby, and Python. What is Git and why do you need it? Git क्या है and इसकी नीड अपन को क्यों पड़ी? Git is the distributed vision control system that help us to track change in our code base during the project development. It runs locally on our machine. It helps us to store the history of the project, which person made which change in which part of the project, and then advantage of Git. Okay. Fast and fast, second security, no needed of powerful hardware, implemented backup. Features of Git, distributed, comparatively non-linear, branching, secure, reliable, speed, conjugative of your Git account, GitHub account. Git conjugative global username, your that username. Git conjugative global user email, your that email. GitHub GitHub is a non-profit company that offered a cloud-based Git repository hosting service. Essentially, it's make it a lot either for individual and teams to use Git for vision control and collaboration. GitHub and overview. GitHub is of the most popular online platform for vision control. Second, it helps us to host and manage Git repository. It serves as the central hub for collaboration, allowing developers to store and manage either their Git repository, the cloud-based environments. Some people open source project Java, PHP, and Ruby. Next, Git. It is a software. It is installed locally on the system. आवाज नहीं आ रही.
आ रही है सर, यस सर।
Okay, 2 minutes. ओके ये डिफरेंस है इसके. गेट इट इज अ सॉफ्टवेयर, इट इज अ सर्विस, इट इज इंस्टॉल्ड लोकली ऑन द सिस्टम, इट इज अ होस्टेड ऑन वेब, it is a command line tool, it is a graphical interface, it is a tool of manage different vision of edits made to file in git repository, it is a space upload copy of the git repository. It's provide functionality like vision control system, source code management. It's provide functionality of Git like VCS source code management as well as attending few. It's one few. Git command, Git commands help. Git command, Git post, Git log, int, pull, post, Git forget, status branch. Life cycle. Git int, Git add, Git command, Git post. Git startup and partially demo. Git install के लिंक ये है. Okay. Thank you for attending our event. We hope you enjoy it and learning something useful. We will answer and query the end of comment box. Thank you for attending event. We hope you enjoy and learning something useful things. See you next time. Have a good day.
थैंक यू सर।